everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Fanny, also known as SavedMakoti. Before anything, I am saved. I love the Lord so much. I'm a born again child of God. Guys, today I just want us to do, I received some questions regarding SavedMakoti, regarding having mninawekazi, the relationship and all that. So yeah, today we're gonna talk about that, guys. We're gonna talk about that. So guys, I'm so sorry again, discussing Kabile. I know during the week it's just work, coming back home, sending orders, doing orders. So guys, it's hectic. It's hectic. I got xesha nje lokonwaba. So kunzima guys. Please bear with me. Kuzathi kulunge khona khona. So I told myself that I have to do this today, even if I don't have time, man. This is about 30 minutes at least, so that we get on to these things. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with a relationship between mninawekazi and mkhuluwekazi. What I can say, guys, is that phaya mos no-2 niye ngokwenda. So don't look down on yourself, on each other, because I think that's a lot of challenge Makoti that they have nabaninawekazi babo. They look down on each other. Secondly, they check immaterial things. Umyenam has this, umyenakhe doesn't have this, of which those are not important, guys, as balekangezonto at all. Phaya, you are there to build, you are there to make a sister, so that that she's my sister. And getting over the fact that it doesn't give me gunya to bully her, to say yenza lento, like in the mlawule, because we are both adults. So by two is adults apha, so by two is chatile, so by two wonke is a queen endlini yakhe. So xa sigodukile ke ngoku siye kwabawuzala, she cannot expect me to bully her. Mhlawumbe there are chores mos, as you have seen on my previous vlogs. Thina ke sivuka siyahlulelana nge-chores, but akho mntu uxela abayenza lena, like umuntu uvuka enze lento akwazi ukuyenza nomnye wenzenye, like siyakhawulelana ngomsebenzi, because wonke umdala, everyone knows that the dining room has to be cleaned. Sorry guys, isingeseso sethu ningamind. Don't mind. And my name is Ascent. So yeah, dining room has to be cleaned, the kitchen has to be cleaned, tea has to be made, istudio has to be made. So why should you argue about that? And I'm good in cooking, yeah, she's good in cleaning, so we understand each other. That mntase better. Xa ndipheka ndimntase ngohlala phansi, xa clean mntase ngohlala phansi, fike ndihlale phansi nditye i-soft life. You just have to understand each other. Do not compete. You are not there for competition, guys. You are not there for competition. If mhlawumbe umninawekazi wakho okanye umkhuluwekazi wakho is not working when uyasebenza, and mhlawumbe you're gonna have that event, try and talk to him. Say, what do you have? What can you mix? That have that love. Yabona ba ngathi ngisister wakho. Ngiqonda ba if ndimhle mntase uzonqaba ntoni, show me idaki lakho linjani, lontoni. Leyaphuma idaki lakho ngakwenze ngeza ngantoni. Let's say when you are working, yena akakaphangeli, uyabo. So just try and help each other, try and tolerate each other, try to love each other. Because I think abantu abaninzi batsho bathi, yo guys, mna anayo le relationship nomninawekazi wami nomkhuluwekazi wami. Guys, it has to stop. It has to stop. We are there to support each other. We are there as a family. We are there as sisters. So ndiyanicela ke Makoti, let's try and build those relationships. Please guys, please, let's try and build those relationships for the sake of our kids, for the sake of the family. So yeah, and then I think I'm done with that one, guys, and I think it's clear that you are there to love each other, not to make competition. ndiyabazi umakoti bane-competition, yo. So please try to avoid that, guys. Try to avoid that. And then there's this question that I received on my DM on TikTok. Guys, we do not skip ads, ne? We do not skip ads, please. No bugele at A1. We do not skip ads, please. Othi lona hi sisunjani. Bengicela ubuza si into since ungumakoti osindisiweyo wenza njani when it's time ukuba uyokotiza emzini. Umzekelo benza umsebenzi and you're expected to be there ube usindisiwe. I'm about to get married and I'm a born again Christian, but my family akulomyena ayisindiswanga. So guys, on that one, yes, SavedMakoti, Makoti osindisiweyo, yes. But unfortunately for me, ifamily akulomyena is saved, like bonke they are saved. So sihamba imingcwabo because we don't do into zamasiko and stuff. But guys, if wena usindisiwe but ifamily yakulomyeni akho ayisindiswanga, if kuyasilwa guys, go there uyosila. Go there and be submissive, because most lo muntu umvume uyazi ba akasindiswanga, I mean ifamily yakhe ayisindiswanga. So you have to be submissive, as iBhayibheli isitsho nokuthi uba be a submissive wife. So you have to be submissive, guys. Ube submissive noba kuyasilwa noba kuyenziwa amasiko noba kwenza ntoni, just that when you will not partake most kweza nyama zithethelwayo like emasikweni ntoni, you cannot eat them, but you must be there to work, guys. Yabo, then eza nyama ke usungazityi usiphekele mhlambi i-chicken yakho or lonto yakho ithenge down, because ke ngoxa sowusitya it will mean you are in this altar, yabo. Because once we eat eza nyama zithethelweyo nentoni, that's where you're gonna be wrong. But it is not wrong to go and support umyeni wakho, because at the end of the day it is your husband. At the end of the day, those are your in-laws. So it is very important, guys, uba uhambe uyosebenza noba uvutha kangakanani enkonzweni noba uyoworshipa noba uyathini, but it is important to go, guys, uyosebenza emzini. Like for me ke asiwa-athenda amasiko kuba sihleli engenziwa, but if mhlambe besenziwe emzini nami benziwe ndawa-athenda, uyabo, ndifike ndisebenze but ndingatyi kweza nyama ke ngozithethelweyo phaa abaphansi and stuff, yabo. So yeah guys, yekeni le nto yokuvutha uvuthele ne-in-laws, please guys, go and support, go uyosebenza, yabo. For example, naxa kukho umngcwabo uyiwela qhiyamo simnyama elaxakatho nentoni, guys, laa nto it's nothing, kukuzila. So abanye bafuna unxiba eza nto but kukuzila, yabo. Ayinanto itheni laa nto. You are just mourning for this person osolekileyo, uyabo. Ikhona indawo eBhayibhelini enento yokuzila uba kwake kwazilwa. Like umzilo, guys, is known, it's even in the Bible, that when there is death you mourn. So I believe that xa unxibe kanjeyana you are just mourning lo mntu uswelekileyo, you are showing respect. As ikrwala mos liphuma ninxibe eza nto, so nawe as makoti you wear ezaa zinto wawuzinxityiswe ngokutya wawumtsha. So I don't see a problem if wawuzinxibile eza nto ngoku uyalwa usithwani, why not wear them again ke ngoku kwi-funeral, yabo. So yeah guys, let's go there. And also guys, this thing, we're having a Makoti talk mass. And also guys, this thing yoba when you are going to kulondlo mhlambi to assist, yabo, let's say I have a funeral kwam and then you come to assist me. If ufika phaya there are no green peppers, so zibuza Chomi, I says afford, because the fact that I didn't buy them, mhlambi I can't spoon, yabo. What we must be careful of is to ask izinto ezingekhoyo, guys, like asilingani financially, if iimini zethu azilingani, we come from different backgrounds, yabo. So you do not ask into ongayiboniyo, uyabo. Rather ukhupha imali kuwe mhlambe uyothenga ezi-green peppers. Xa wena itshakala ungakwazi uyenza zingekho ii-peppers, uyabo. Naxa inyama ungakwazi uyenza wena ingekho ipaprika. Do not ask this. Mayiphele le nto koti zam yokubuza into uba paprika, did you buy paprika? Did you buy sauce? Guys, no. Let us stop this thing. Inyama iyaphekeka ngetyiwa netswele qha ne-beef stock iba mandi inyama yomcimbi. Nje yomcimbi ke mna. Even if azikho ezo nto, do not ask them, guys. Thina la tendency thina yothi xa ufika emzini uqonde did you buy into sweet chili? Mna angiqhele uyenza nge-sweet chili. No, this is not your house, guys. Uyabo? So I'm just advising there. And also yo ke ndaya kwenye indawo. I think when even I go previous blog kuphekwe inyama sweet, guys. Let us stop this thing. Yo kugalela too much lanto ezi sauces sorry kwinyama. Yo andiyazi ithathwa phi le nto ngoba inyama ibe mandi ngaphandle kwee-sauces. Guys, iba mandi inyama without these sauces. Whereas for a funeral, abantu abaninzi they don't eat the sauces. Abantu abaninzi they have diabetes, abanye they have chronic illnesses, so they don't need these sauces and don't. Guys, let's stop this thing. Kotis. Let us stop this thing. Imbi ayibukeleki nje at all. And also let us stop le nto yokucomputer, guys. If uyambona nye umuntu usemcimbini, like apayamos, as I have said, we come from different backgrounds. Let us not sorry, let's stop this competition, man. Oh my God, it is not helping. It is not good, guys. It is not good. Yabo lento usoloko ufika nocompetitor nabanye umakoti. No, guys, let us stop this thing. Imbi and the bullyism towards umakoti abancinci. Okay, just because we're in 20 years you expect umakoti omncinci kwenzela iti. No, it is not good, guys. Ayikho ntle laa nto, that bullyism. Umakoti omncinci makwenzela iti ngoba ethanda, uyabo, ngoba mhlambe isivolunteer. Not uba ude umxelele uba wena umakoti omncinci so you have to make me tea. No, guys, laa mntu akalotyolwanga nguwe, akenzelanga kwakho. Let us stop this thing. Let us stop this thing. Ayikho ntle, man. It does not look good at all. And then another advice that I give Makoti is that, guys, try by all means to do something as a young wife. Try to do something, even if a profit is 500 rands. Akufani, guys, akufani. Ebona laa nto yokuxhomekeka emyenini. Umntana abantu ubona uba ujonge ifemeli yakhe, ujonge wena, ujonge abantwana, kanti ne-makeup yakho funeka kuye, your toiletries, uyabo. At least just make money, guys, so that ukwazi uzenzela at least into zakho, umntana abantu angafili burden. If umakoti ongakasebenzi, try to sell something, guys. Kuyathengiswa ngoku. Try to sell something, try to do something, try to wake up ekuseni, because that thing, nabantu abangotata ibanika laa nto uqonde, oh, my wife is trying, uyabo. My wife is trying uba noko ndingabi nomthwalo omninzi. So abantu abangotata, they love someone or who's trying. They love a hard-working woman. So try to do something, guys. Jongo Lonti London, Ontoni, they are selling things. They are big celebs, but she's selling a fiber. She did the fiber. Yeah, Kamala Kulonti London. So, guys, try to do something in Gobombako. Try to do it. Just because you are married, it doesn't mean it's the end of the road. Remember? Just because you are married, it doesn't mean when I come again kulo bhuti yonke into ne-lipstick lembala when you can't even afford a lipstick. Wake up and do something, guys. And then also go to school. If watchata ungakafiki like him, it's great. This and in 2 months, yeah, I'll be graduating. So go to school. Do not, yeah, never say college. Do something, guys. Go do noba course ye-computer osilulo ntontoni, do something so that at least i-CV yakho noba uya-aplya ukwazi ufumana ngokungekafumani umsebenzi ube uzithengisela. So ndiyanikhuthaza ke bomakoti mam uba try to wake up, try to do something ngobomi bakho, yebo, try to do something. If awufundi, mna ndaqonda uba yo, I can't just sleep the whole day, I must do something. Xa umsebenzi ndangekabi nayo nebhizinesi ke ngoko ndaqonda no man, xa umsebenzi ungekafiki I cannot sleep the whole day, ndibukele i-TV, ndikline ndithini. Ndaqonda no, this thing is gonna frustrate me more. Ndarejistara esikolweni ndafunda, and iminyaka iyakhawuleza guys, isikolo asigugelwa nokugugelwa ke, iminyaka iyakhawuleza. Look at me now, I'm done. That's advance yam kulowa nyaka ndenze honors, kulowa ndenze masters, like I'm almost done, yabo. So just wake up, vukuyorejistarisha, inquire uba how do I do this, how do I do, no sukulala the whole day guys, no. And abantwana basesikolweni wena usheka wenzani imini yonke, yabo. So yeah, try to start a business, to do something, and then go to school. Yes, but imini uzama ukwenza business yakho, late you're studying. If you start in family classes are late, yabo. Try to do something called this. Yeah, I think that's all guys. Yeah, if you have any questions, if you have any questions or clarities, you can just drop them on the comment section. Yeah, if you have any questions, and then I'll do another sit down. Yeah, I know this one is maybe it's not perfect. It's my second time. Yeah, it's my second time doing a sit down, so it's nervous. So it's nervous. So guys, yeah, but it's gonna be fine. I think we're gonna have these talks now and again. We're gonna have these talks because they are needed. You can ask him how do I deal with law and all. Yeah. And then the last advice, pray for your marriage, pray for your family, pray for your husband. Guys, umthandazo is the answer. Ayikho ke mina ke into endiyaziyo ngaphandle kweThixo, alikho elinye ithemba endilaziyo. Like I put all my faith, all my trust in God, so I don't know anything ngaphandle kweThixo. So you pray for that marriage, you pray for your house, and God will fix you, or your house will make your house in order. I promise you, you must pray about that. So yeah guys, masibona nini man. I think on the next vlog, Hlambi, Inkosi Vuma. Let's meet on the next vlog, I hope. Yeah, and then yeah, don't forget to subscribe. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you are coming back, thank you so much for the support. I love you so much. Do not forget to watch the ads. Do not skip those ads. Thank you so much. I love you all. May God bless you. Bye.